again, teachers. We're back with another top tip on how to use the Teacher's Eye solutions without an interactive whiteboard or projector. Tip number 3, game generator. What child doesn't love a little game to practice the language they've seen in class? Recently, we've become so reliant on digital boards to be able to present and play these games that we've forgotten how to incorporate them into our more digitally light classes. The game generator on the Teacher's Eye solutions is a fantastic tool to create engaging practice at a moment's notice. If you haven't got an interactive whiteboard, you can still replicate the generated games on a traditional whiteboard, using physical flashcards, drawings, or words. You can also make use of the accompanying audio as the students are playing.